Okay, garden fam, we are back for part 3, and it looks like, if I'm not mistaken, because I actually didn't see this before, that our vanilla ice are going to bloom soon. And the sun came out, of course it did. So that is the vanilla ice sunflower. The sweet peas are back here, and I mentioned this in part 1 of the summer update, but you know, never hurts to go back and look at it in more detail. So this is, I don't have this one labeled. It's, will we call that officially an apricot color? I think so. So that daylily I need to label. We've got some lavender down here, rosemary. These are what we're excited about. So this, I did short of this because this was not planned. So we bought an illumination flame, this foxglove. There's no bees on it, so I can show you. So it's this beautiful, like, I want to say like pink and yellow, and planted it next to these daylilies, which we had no idea what color they were, but it just so happened that they were similar in tones. And then you have this light pink. This is the Francis Myland rose. I did not mention that in the first part, but this Francis Myland, which is that same, like, probably in the same tone range. Like if you made a gradient, they would probably all be in it. So that makes me really excited. But this, oh my goodness, it's just so pretty. Then you got another bunch right here. My goodness, okay. So nothing really is happening over here. So you got that like one corner that's showing out. I will say, so the milkweed, and it's not like bloomed or gotten much bigger, but it is coming up. So we have 2 different versions. We have the original milkweed down here. Can you see that tag? It's kind of faded. I don't know if that's Rasabica. I cannot remember, but it's like the red and yellow. Then there are also showy milkweeds planted, and I saw a bee, so let me move out of the way real quick. I don't know where he went. I just need him to not be on me. Lamb's ear, of course, and iris. Is you coming down the stairs? Peanut went inside for a little bit, so let's see. Nothing really happened. Everything's pretty green, though everything looks healthy. There are weeds back there, I promise you. Trying to get back there right now. Do you see everything going on? How am I gonna get back there? I can get back there from that side. That's what I didn't mention on that sidewalk on that side. Let me step back really quick before I get to the other side of this bed that is doing all the things. So let us go. Look at that bloom too. Hi, Peanut. Hi, you coming up? Here she comes, maybe. Peanut, we're doing part 3 and you're over there. So, last year we had an incident, and honestly tried to happen again this year, which is why you'll see baskets on a lot of things. So, so our sedum is being eaten by some person in particular. I won't name names. And yeah, because we've caught them in that like act sometimes. So we usually put baskets, but for some reason they don't come over here, and I think it has to do with the roses. So I want to say this might be autumn sedum joy, like the sedum autumn joy. If I'm saying that wrong, I might be mixing it up. I can't remember, but I split them up because there was a lot of little babies in one pot and planted them this like earlier in the winter. I think it was winter, early spring, and they're coming up and they're blooming. So, hi, ma'am. Can I get past you and the rose? Thanks, Peanut. She's so funny. She's not gonna walk in the grass though. She'll probably take the pathway. Peanut. She's going right back to the watering can. Her little cup. No, she's sniffing stuff. I don't know what she's doing. So, this is what I was talking about. We have baskets because, oh goodness. Do you see how they're eating it? I don't know why. I don't think either of us know why. It's probably natural for them to eat it, but I wish they would not. So these little baskets that I got from Dollar Tree, literally like in March or April, go to Dollar Tree and you'll find all these little white baskets. I think they're in like near the like housing stuff, not near the gardening stuff, but like the housing stuff to like organize stuff. Buy a bunch of those. They actually had pots this year too, which is why a lot of the pots you'll see, they were like $5. All these colorful ones are from Dollar Tree. I went a little nuts. And then like some of the taller, like more terracotta colored are also from there. Peanut is somewhere around here because Mom's talking to her. So I don't think it was this fluffy the last time I did a garden update. So it wasn't this fluffy last year either. This is tropical toucan ajuga. That ground cover that's all through here that I'm gonna have to like split up and do something with, because really what should happen is it should be like right in here, and I really think I want to put more bricks. I gotta fix these bricks and level them out, but put more bricks here so we can walk up and things won't grow right here, because right now it's not joined, which is good, but I'm basically gonna have to split this ajuga, so I kind of want it to like go around the brick. I don't mind it around the daylily, but we'll see what Mom says and see if we need to change it. But it's supposed to be the ground cover to keep out the weeds. So there's that, but it is, and it's usually, so it's faded a lot, and I think it might be getting bleached from the sun, because it's actually over there under one of these raised garden beds. Hold on, let me see if I can find it. I'm sorry, I did not get proper. Just I had to stop at the Jewels of Africa with the Alyssum in the back and the Bronze Beauty. Like, can we just take a second? Okay, I'm sorry. So this that has the vine growing through it is more of the true color of the tropical toucan. It's really vibrant. That's why I think the sun is bleaching it out over there, which is funny because it gets just as much sun until the afternoon maybe, and that might be why it's happening. So we'll walk back over there. I'm trying not to get distracted because there's this peach melba, and I don't know if it's going to be blooming later, but it's also blooming up at the front, so we might be okay with the grapevine. So we're walking, stop again. So now we have this pocket of everything that's blooming. So not the clematis in the back anymore, but there's Miss Molly again, Miss Molly Budleia. It was much, much smaller when it started off the year, and it has grown. Like it's doing beautifully. Its friend was over there, and the friend said, always. And then, yeah, no, it did nothing. So we moved it. And as you can see, what's over there? The red bud that we cut back, all of it's new growth. My parents cut that back. It's fine. So we have more daylilies, like I told y'all. There are so many, and they're all different. This is, and we do actually know the name, Mom does. So this is Little Business. Yes, Little Business. Oh, your Little Business. Yeah, no, I heard it too. But not around here. Little Business means this gorgeous daylily. So anytime you hear somebody say, Little Business, just look at this daylily. It's fine. If you're an entrepreneur, just look at it. Just think of it. So this is our ham and eggs. Well, technically Mom's. I was not even here. Okay. No, I think I was here when she got this. So ham and eggs lantana. And it is doing beautifully. This is, Mom, is this year 2 or year 3 with the ham and eggs? Do you remember? Is this?
Really fully 2.
2? Okay.
The first year was...
Okay. So this is year 2 with the ham and eggs coming back. That's exciting. We've got some salvia. Gorgeous. Some lamb's ear that was planted over here this year. It's doing well. It's not as big as everything else that was planted last year, as you can see. Do you hear her? Like, I know I have the mic on, but she was loud. So we're gonna see which color lily this is. Not sure what.
In and out of this house.
Oh, I don't know if they heard that with the mic on, but I heard it. Super Tunia. I don't remember which one. Mom, do you remember the name of the Super Tunia?
Did it rain?
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to figure out. I think it did.
Because there's water on here.
Yes. I think it rained. I don't think it rained.
Only like for 5 seconds.
I mean, enough for the ground to be damp, yes. Do you remember the name of this Super Tunia? The tag is in there somewhere. I just don't remember the name. I don't know if it's on this side.
The tag is in here?
I thought so. I'm trying to look for it.
Sydney, I don't think the tag is in there.
Well, then it's lost.
It's big and pretty.
We did know the names of it, so I'm gonna have to look it back up. I will look it up because she had the tags when she bought them for all of them, and we put them in the dirt. But there's no telling where that tag went by now. I'm just gonna say that. So, a lot of different daylilies, more little business over there. Abelia bushes are back here still, as you can tell. So, let me explain something. I promise you, and I think I said this last time I did an update. We cleared out where the Super Tunia is to that Super Tunia, all back there. It looks like we did nothing, so the Abelia bushes could take off. That's what these long stalks are. There's 3 of them, so 1, 2 is the smallest, and then 3. For some reason, this one is the longest. I don't know what's happening either, y'all. Oh, I didn't know what was happening. I was like, why is it spinning? I'm over there messing with the umbrella. So that burgundy daylily again. This is the daylily that we're getting rid of. I gotta mark all of these. We're also getting rid of the yellows. They're probably all going in the back, honestly. They don't have a smell, and it looks weird up here. Or if we don't get rid of them, maybe we'll move it up here with this other patch of lilies. So there's that. Because this is supposed to be like an entrance way this way. We're not supposed to plant anything in here in the middle. So we're thinking about moving this foxglove because it's just throwing everything off right now. We have that second one, so I don't know if we're gonna put them in the same spot. And I have seeds. And these things give off like, what's the number of seeds that foxgloves give off? Like 2 million? A lot. So there's that. And I did not show it because we're not over there technically yet, but there's nothing too crazy happening, so I might just sneak this in. Don't yell at me. So, and the bees aren't over here real quick, so I'm gonna do this. This is agapanthus, and it's gorgeous. Like, basically this whole little stalk will be full of these flowers. Beautiful. And obviously, you're like, well, you just showed us that stalk. It's still not even fully fluffed out because some of the flowers have died back. So, I'm cheating and showing the middle bed a bit because nothing too crazy is going on. The thing that I skipped over that I was trying to show you, I was like, Cindy, don't get distracted, is the peach melba nasturtium. This is my first year of successfully growing it, and it is so pretty. So pretty. I don't know how big they're going to get this year, but that's okay. I know, that's why I was not going to film this part, but the bee was trying to fight me earlier, so Baptisia, we were concerned that this would not come back. It was in the yard up by the door for the longest and wasn't really doing anything. So we moved it to a pot. That's a very tiny pot for how big false indigo gets. But we just didn't know what it was going to do, and then it started to grow. It needs to go in the back, which we know. So we'll get to that eventually. I think later in the year. Mom is over there weeding. I'm not going to show her on camera. Trying to pick the weeds out of the garden, which we do pretty much every time we come out here. We're like, we're not going to do this. And then we end up doing something. My Nudon is doing well. My little Nudon's like sprig, the little one that had a little root. Might sneak up there because nothing's really blooming up here. So I might be able to sneak and show y'all the rest because it's still a pretty tame video. And then I will probably I'll do another part that'll be short, and it'll probably be all of the little pockets of things that we have going on. So then that will make part. Really? That's why I zoomed in on you when you did that, Peanut. Okay, so this gonna be all dirt and something big. We're thinking maybe a hydrangea. Thought about the Gatsby pinks, but they're actually going in the back. I can't remember, we said we were going to look up another hydrangea, so I'll talk to Mom about that today while we're watching gardening stuff, because that tends to be what we do on Mondays, is like watch gardening things. Sometimes we'll come out in the yard, but it's really hot here in June, so that may not happen. So I'm going to walk and sneak over here to show you this gorgeous daylily that I don't think I knew Mom had, but she, I think, remembered. It's got like the sunflower in the middle that's like, it's coming up really more red, but it's like a deeper burgundy to like an undertone of black in it, maybe I would say. Really pretty. So I don't think we're gonna move these. I think they're gonna stay. And then sneaking. We've got more of those burgundy daylilies down here. And this is our mystery buddleia that we do not know. We think it came off the pugster. We think it's the mother plant, actually. And it is massive. It needs to be cut back, but as y'all can tell, the bees are still out. So I'm about to move. And then this panicle hydrangea. It's not fully bloomed yet, but it's gorgeous when it does. Okay, let me sneak out of here before the bees come. Okay, I think we'll stop there at a giant. Do you see this hosta? There were 2 hostas over there last year. And I told Mom we can't do it anymore. I have a spider crawled down it. Y'all see that? Anyway. And I told Mom we have to move it. And we have to move the hydrangea. Do you see how the hosta is smothering it? That hydrangea has to move. Mom. Because this one doesn't get big enough. Could we? Oh, sorry. While I'm filming this garden update. But this one is, that hydrangea is the same one as these, right?
It's the same one as what?
That hydrangea right there is this? Is it the same thing? Or is it different? No?
No.
Is it?
I don't know what happened to the third one.
Oh.
But this is like some little quick fire.
Oh, it's little quick fire. Okay.
Yeah.
So it'd be too small for this
these are
spot.
the incredible.
Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to figure out where to move it, but yeah. So at least we know what that name is. Oh, sorry, Firefly.
Here, please don't piss him off.
I didn't know. I wasn't even over where he was at.
Be nice.
Yes, he will. They come back every year. If you're wondering where the fireflies are, they're with us. He's like flying around. Do you see him? Over where I was just talking. Yep.